go from here? Do I tell you I still love you? Where do I go from there? Do I tell you I still miss you? Can't you see? You're a part of me. Don't you know? I can't let you go. My problem of you when I'm with you. What should I do? I don't know. I don't know. Tell me, do I tell you that I love you? Tell me, do I tell you that I need you? Where do I go from here? Ooh, tell me, do I tell you that I love you? Tell me, do I tell you that I need you? Where do I go? I don't know. I don't know. But I do know. One thing I do know. That you're the greatest fans in the world. I said you're the greatest fans in the world. And do you know why? I said, do you know why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because you're my pretty little angel, or the city girl. Really love to see you when you can't see, girl.